Oh, wow. Masekurimba uburyo ntakinajyama n'amaso yanjye naho ndashaka kureba ibi ngibi ubanza atari urukundo uransengeza ukansengeza. I don't know.
I want to hear that. Uranzenje
Kanzengereza mama we, you complete me.
Repeat once again.
Uranzengereza
Uranzenjeru kanzengereza. What does it mean?
Oh, I don't know.
Okay.
You make go crazy, right?
Seems like.
Yeah.
Cook, it's my talent.
Nkunda kuteka. Nkunda kuririmba. Nkunda kwakitinga. Gukina. Okay. Iby'isi mucenzi yewe iby'isi birananiye. Iby'isi mucenzi yewe iby'isi birananiye. Sinchifuka yarakumaye.
Yeah, keep going. Iveno mijenti no the son of Africa beats back in Ego Golden Coin bwabo hita nitwa Kaz Kesi. I'm pleased to host my sister, beautiful lady in front of your screens.
Thank you so much. I'm so fine. Thank you.
I'm just using English according to your skin color.
Oh my God. No, it's okay. I even ikinyarwanda I get it.
So you allow me to use Kinyarwanda, okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Much Kinyarwanda, just little
bit.
English, okay? We just mix, right?
Yeah.
Umeze neza?
Meze neza.
Amakuru yawe?
Meze neza. Yeah, I'm so fine.
You're so fine.
I think it's the same.
Amakuru yawe ni meza. Amakuru yawe ni meza. Amakuru yawe
ni meza.
Which means
I'm fine.
Yeah, it's good, right?
Yeah.
Umeze neza? Umeze gute? Umeze gute? How are you?
Oh, it's the same. I'm fine.
Okay, it's the same context, just to ask you how you are. But if I'm asking you, amakuru yawe, you respond. So what's the news? The news is good, right? Or is bad?
Yeah. No, I understand now.
It depends on the situation, right? Amakuru yawe
ni meza.
Umeze gute?
Umeze neza.
Wow, that's it. So, uri umunyarwanda?
Yeah.
Wavukiye mu Rwanda?
No, ntabwo navukiye mu Rwanda, but I'm Rwanda now.
Kubera icyo uvuga ko uri umunyarwanda se?
Because I'm here in Rwanda.
Ibyo ntabwo bihagije. That doesn't. Nationality.
I want to find it.
You want to find it. So you're not yet Rwandan, right? So why do you call yourself Rwandan? Why do you call yourself Rwandan?
I'm Rwandan.
Why?
Because of my parents. Yeah.
Explain more.
I think it's not context. Because my mom, she's Rwandan. But my dad, he's not.
He's from?
Arabian country.
Arabian country. So means you're Arabian. Am I right?
Rwandan.
But we come in Rwanda.
Thank
Rwanda
you
is
so
peaceful
much.
country. And abantu beza beautiful people. We find us around the country. Rwanda izwi ku kintu, u Rwanda ruzwi ku bintu bibiri. Are you getting me?
Yeah.
Nako si bibiri gusa ni byinshi.
So 1,000 years.
It's one. The second one?
High clearly.
The third one?
Much peace.
Fourth? There's something missing.
Amazing. You're most beautiful.
What?
Clear, beautiful. Clear. Yeah. It's clear.
It's clean, right? It's a clean, it's a hygienic country. And beautiful, complete.
It's 1,000 years.
Yeah. No. I just want to focus on us. Beautiful.
Say.
Beautiful ladies.
Oh,
Don't you know
I
that?
forgot. I'm sorry.
Yes,
Ghana country have beautiful ladies
Mhm.
and guys.
And maybe yes.
Yeah, handsome.
But mostly ladies, right? And you know that.
Yeah.
Everyone knows. All
Yeah.
over the world, we are known all over the world. It's a small country but known all over the world. So, nishimiye kukwakira kuri yawe TV. I'm very pleased to host you.
Oh,
On
thank you. Thank
Yahweh
you so
TV.
much. I'm sorry.
You're so happy. So I don't know how I'm going to make our conversation clear because I'm not good at English as I
No,
wish.
it's okay. I get it.
But I think you can get what I'm saying, okay?
Yeah.
Tugerageze tunavanga n'ikinyarwanda kugira ngo abantu babyumve. So kugira ngo abantu bumve kuri umunyarwanda, you want to confirm it. You're going to sing for me a Rwandan song
Oh my god.
to confirm
It's
them
very hard
the
to me. It's
Rwandan.
very hard to me.
No, it's okay. We want to confirm them.
You hear me?
And I don't hate you, you know that. We're friends. We're
Which
friends.
song? Culture song? Traditional song?
Better.
I don't know.
You
I don't know.
Okay. Any Kinyarwanda song.
Okay, it's okay.
Okay, please.
Can
Come
try.
on.
No.
I want to hear you.
One day I was hearing some song for someone.
Called
This melody.
Bruce Melody. Is he your favorite artist in Rwanda? Yeah. Wow. Okay, sing for me. But don't sing so way.
Huh?
Don't sing so way. You know the
I
song?
don't know. I don't know that song.
You don't know?
But
Okay.
I was like,
You know Akinyuma?
no. Just shira ku mutima y'amagambo awatazigera siboma humva ukuntu abantu bahoze kuva kera ndetse na mbere basa tubona badusekere gusa siko babyifuza. What?
Keep going.
I forgot next. Okay, love me hard. Yes, love me hard.
Yeah. But okay, now the song from Bruce
Another
Melody.
You complete me.
I know that's English. I want Kinyarwanda.
You know that song? No, I can. Oh, wow. Maze kurimba uburyo ntakinajyama n'amaso yanjye naho ndashaka kureba ibi ngibi ubanza atari urukundo uransengeza ukansengeza. I don't know.
I want to hear that. Uranzenje
Kanzengereza mama we. You complete me.
Repeat once again.
Uranzengereza.
Uranzengereza. What does it mean?
Oh, I don't know.
Okay.
You make go crazy, right?
Seems like.
Yeah. Uranzengereza mama we. And another song by yaririmbye Pizza.
Pizza. Who's that?
Oh,
Joyce.
How can I start?
However, you want.
Oh, ndinga gari tagira mani. Kusa ngoma fresh kandi nakutumani. Dore na kimwe wanyimye chikozura buzima tanga ka bebe. Go bebe satira wisarira. Right?
Wow.
Go baby fatira na sanganira na sanzamuka. Fatira na ntaribi Christiania yindi la pot de divorce. Right?
So I don't know if what I'm not caring about the lyrics. Just melody.
Oh.
Just a melody. So ujye gutuma nkubaza ikibazo kimwe, you get what I say? Nize mpano eshatu uzi ugira muri wowe?
Singing. Act.
Act like?
Yeah.
Acting like
being
actress in a movie, right?
Yes, in the movie. Yeah, I heard. Yeah, dance.
Wow.
It's a secret.
It's a secret.
It's my secret talent.
a secret talent.
Yeah.
But you don't have to hide that talent.
I have to hide here.
Why?
The sad talent.
Why?
I will live one day with someone.
Is it related to your religious? I'm asking. It's all about that. It's all about that, right? It's all about that. Oh, so you speak it loud. I think-
I like to sing. Yeah, I like to act. Yeah, like actress in movie. I like to cook. It's my talent.
Bivuge mu kinyarwanda.
It's very hard.
To cook mu kinyarwanda ntabwo bizi.
Kuteka.
Ngo bivuge I like to cook. It's my talent.
Nkunda kuteka. Nkunda kuririmba. Nkunda acting.
Acting.
Kuchina movie.
Kuchina movie.
Yes.
Okay. You told me you're 25. Is that right?
Yeah, 25 years.
You're not.
No, why not? I show my little girl.
You showed us, but I'm not agreeing with you.
It's really.
Really?
Yeah.
But you look young. You just uragaragara nk'umwana cyane.
No. I'm old and old.
You're not old. So where you from?
From Zanzibar, Tanzania.
Zanzibar, Tanzania. So compare. You told me Rwanda is a beautiful country.
Yeah, it's
And
beautiful
no
country.
doubt. If you compare two countries, Zanzibar. Okay, Zanzibar is in Tanzania, right?
Yeah, Tanzania is Islam.
Okay.
Tanzania.
It's Tanzania. But let's focus on Zanzibar itself. Okay, let's compare Zanzibar and Kigali.
No.
What's the
Keep
difference?
comparing.
Yeah, where?
Because it's a Rwandan country. It's a different country. There's peace. Many places where to visit.
Okay, I think that's huge. Let's focus on entertainment. If you
Oh,
yeah, sure.
Tanzania is still top.
Why? Kubera iki?
Stop. Tanzania is top.
Stop. Why? Explain. I want you to explain more. Yes, come on.
I can explain much words. They're the best about even music, movie. They have high. How can I call it? Industry. Yeah, it's not the same for here.
Okay. Wow. Waratekaga.
Yeah.
You get what I say? You get what I
I
mean?
get it.
You get it. Waratekaga. Niko kazi ukora muri Zanzibar?
No, just I'm living here. I do it here, but I'm not cooking.
But you did it in Zanzibar as a profession.
Yeah.
Sivo?
Zanzibar is still top about to cook. It's culture. It's culture from there.
Okay. So, what are you good at cooking? Like 3 items. You mean you're very good at that?
All food, because it's my talent. It's my favorite.
Just 3.
I'm
Top thing.
professional.
Top 3 items.
Okay, of course. I know to cook pilau.
Pirao. And I'm
Yeah,
coming to
guys.
eat it very soon. I'm coming for you. You invited me.
invite you.
Yeah, sure. Is it Friday? So you want to tell me the day and the time? I'll be there.
Thank you,
before
thank you,
hour.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'll be
I
there
invite
for
you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
I
Pirao.
like to prepare food from Egyptian food.
Egyptian food.
food.
Okay.
And some Rwandan,
Some Rwandan. Like
like a katogo,
what?
hot dog,
Hot dogs.
katogo.
Hot dog is a snacks, right? Hot dog is a snack.
No,
Eh,
how can I call it?
Microphone.
Okay, a katogo.
Akatogo.
Yeah. and cassava, potato.
Really?
It's
Ugali?
speciality from Rwanda.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, ugali stew. Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. Time to pray. Time to pray. So I'm sorry, but nubundi turimo turagirana ku musozo, okay? So as you're finishing this, I want to sing the one last song of any favorite song, not Bruce Melody, but is there anyone else?
Oh, I like because many time I like traditional concert. Yeah, traditional party. Uganda traditional party.
Do you know any song, any traditional song?
Yeah, yeah,
Please
but
try.
it's not where I think it's not where because
Okay,
really about it.
try. I will help you.
Okay. Iby'isi mucenzi yewe iby'isi birananiye iby'isi mucenzi yewe iby'isi birananiye sinchifuka yarakumaye.
Yeah, keep going.
Kandi sinyaka yaraku. You promised to help me.
I don't know the lyrics, but I know the song. Yeah,
Let's sing another song.
Nibyo?
Yeah.
Nibyo, is that right?
Ngo kanjogera injunji oya mama we. I don't know lyrics.
Yeah,
but I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
So thank you so much. So are you going to spend much time here in Rwanda, or you need to return back to Zanzibar?
Much here.
So you're going to spend the
Time.
whole life, right?
Yeah.
I wish to
Because I
be.
like here.
Oh, wow, that's it. But when you get back to Zanzibar, don't forget, I'll be accompanying you. I want to go and visit and come back to my country.
Yeah.
Okay, so please don't forget. So we keep in touch. So we shall plan it when I'll be there eating that food.
Hello?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I'll be there just planning all the things. Okay. Now, turimo turasoza ikiganiro, sibyo? I want you to speak in Rwanda, or Kinyarwanda, right? Ugire like message usigira abantu bari kudukurikira nyine. Yawe TV.
Okay. Ndagira mbwire abantu bakurikira Yawe TV. Ahigana nanjye ntabwo wenda nababonye twahuye munsi ariko ndabakurikira.
Asante sana.
Ndabakurikirana cyane. Kandi mugira ibiganiro byiza, turabakunda cyane.
Asante.
So ndagira mbwire wenda abantu bakunda bakurikira Yawe TV. Bakore subscribe kugira bakomeze kukurikira ibiganiro byayo byiza. Kandi turabakunda.
Wow.
Dukunda n'ibiganiro. Yeah. I say first time I say here with this TV, but ndakurikira ibiganiro nyine ibiganiro byose. So mugira ibiganiro byiza, turabikunda kubikurikira. So n'abantu rero babonye ikiganiro bwa mbere bakore subscribe kugira bakomeze kureba ibiganiro byiza byanyu kandi ndabizi basabikunda nkuko nanjye ndabikunze.
Wow, that's great message. Sinasana kubwiye ko urabizi ko ni mwiza.
Thank you so much.
Urabizi se?
No.
Wambaye neza.
Thank you.
Okay,
I appreciate
so thank you so much.
My pleasure.
So next time tuzongera duhure tuganire, sibyo?
Thank you.
Asante.
Nashukuru. Thank you so much. Yeah.